Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve Skillrack daily challenge. Find random character. The program must accept a string S representing the name of boy as the input. His friend shuffles the characters in the name S and inserts a random character at a random position. The modified name M is also passed as the input to the program. The program must find the randomly inserted character in M and print it as the output. Length of M equal to length of S plus 1. Okay, the question what is given? Initial input is S and the second given input is M and the output is P. Because P is the extra added character here. Let's see here S is Nelson and M is ONEPLSM. The name what given here is got shuffled here and the extra one character is added other than this. The randomly inserted character in M is P because when you see this Nelson and N is there here, E is there, L, S, O, N, remaining this P is the extra one added here. Like this, when while seeing here itself, we can tell a capital A is the extra one added here. For this, we can use dictionary, which is very useful. S equal to input dot strip. Why we are using this strip? Everyone knows that is to remove the extra spaces. That is a good technique to follow using strip at the end for I in S1. Okay, rename it as S1 for just difference. Or we can go with the representation given here S and M. Just the S and the M modified name. For I in S, I will just create a dictionary here. Dictionary equal to yes. Dictionary of I initially if dictionary if I in dictionary. If I in dictionary tab. Okay. If I is already in dictionary means we'll just add one here. Else we will just declare dictionary of I equal to 1. If the key is already present in the dictionary means we will just add the value by 1. If it is not present, initially it has to initialize. So we will just initialize it as 1. Then for I in M dictionary of I, what I need to do? Definitely it should. Okay. If I not in dictionary, right? If I is not in dictionary means we can directly print I and just we quit the program. If it is there means dictionary of I minus equal to 1. We will just reduce the value by 1. Okay. What we have to do, another for loop we have to do for I in M. You don't see like this is a very big program. What you have to understand from here means the time complexity. This is just a big of n. This is also just a big of n. This is also just a big of n. You don't need to see how many lines. If you can solve this using a two for loop, outer for loop and inner for loop, but the time complexity will be big of n square. We don't need that. We have to solve the problem with less time complexity with less space complexity. That's why we are doing here. If dictionary of I If dictionary of I greater than 0, we just print dictionary of we just print I and break this program. This is easy one, not much difficult. And there is also another function called a intersection out. I think I don't exactly the function, but there is a built-in function to find the difference between those two strings. First, you have to convert this string into set or something. After that, there is a built-in method in the set. You can check it out in Google. Set built-in methods to find the difference between two sets. Set intersection or set difference. I think something that is a function. You can use also use that. This is a standard way. Not only this one difference. If you use many of the beginners don't get involved too much in dictionary. For those people, I just use. I am also not well aware of this dictionary. I also recently just started using this. Let's check this program's running or working correctly or not. No, why not? Your program output. What happened? Okay. What is happening? Why it is not printing A? For I, if I not in dictionary, print I quit. Else, we just reducing the value by 1. Okay. If dictionary of I is equal to 0 means we have to print it like print I quit. If it is already 0, but there is another 1 present, if in the like this in condition, let here you see there is two A's. This 2A will replace those two A's. After that, another A, it has to get decreased by 1, but it already got the value 0. So for this case, we just explicitly doing that. If it is, oh, it will be extra only, right? Why we need this then? We don't need this one. It will be only extra. Okay, this itself is enough. If it is equal to 0, but still the character is present here means we just print here and break this. Don't quit this. We can use the simple break statement also here because many of the problems we are using quit. If I is not in dictionary means we will directly print. If the value is 0 also means we will print. This is simple only. If you can't able to understand, just trace back this for loops and all. See you in the daily challenge, daily test.